When my best friend's mum suffered a stroke at the age of 52, she started forgetting simple things. She couldn't use her arm, she lost her job, and it took her about 6 months to go back to her normal life. A stroke occurs approximately every 3 minutes in the UK. This is the same time that it takes me to give you this talk. Importantly, it leaves patients with a long-term disability with little medical support on offer. In the days, weeks, and months after stroke, the immune system dynamically changes. My research is concerning a population of immune cells known as brain-associated macrophages, or BAMs for short. They're located on the surface of the brain and surrounding brain arteries. Their functions in brain diseases are enigmatic. For example, in Alzheimer's disease, they're known to scavenge faulty protein, but in people with high blood pressure, they actually cause dysfunction in the brain blood circulation. What do they do in stroke is a question I am trying to answer. Imagine that you live in a castle surrounded by a moat. In the moat, there are crocodiles patrolling the waters. One day, the castle comes under attack. The walls start crumbling, allowing the entry of crocodiles and intruders. Now, you might think this is the end of me. Either the intruders will come and kill me, or the crocodiles will eat me. But the crocodiles are also able to trap and kill the invaders. So which one is it going to be? This battlefield is much like what happens in the brain after stroke. When stroke occurs, the protective layers of the brain become leaky, and that allows the passage of cells like BAMs into the brain. My work so far shows that after stroke, the numbers of BAMs goes up in the brain. But what are their intentions? BAMs surrounding arteries are much like the crocodiles in the moat. They're able to trap and neutralize invaders, but they also harness the potential to turn on their master. For my research, I will be injecting a drug into the brain to remove BAMs and to explore the changes in brain blood flow. This will be much like not having the crocodiles in the first instance and dealing with the invaders on your own. And surprisingly, if I find that the stroke outcome actually improves when I remove these cells, well, then I might have discovered a new therapeutic target to treat stroke. On the other hand, if we find that stroke outcome actually worsens when BAMs are not present, well, then we know that this means these cells are very important in the context of stroke. So to BAM or not to BAM, that is the question. And either way, my research will be helping people like my friend's mum on their road to recovery after stroke.